Hi guys, let's restart our journey. If you do not know about the journey that I am talking about, then please visit our previous video that is shared in the description below. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome you all to our channel, A Word a Day. Are you an adventurous person and loves to go to haunted places? Then yes, you are at the right place because we are landing at the word mystic. Mystic. The meaning is a quality of mystery or power associated with someone or something. Examples are the mystic valley enhanced the fun of our trip. The mystic forest caves made the picnic unforgettable. I hope you have enjoyed the mystic journey. Now it's time for a break. Take rest, take some break, and let's continue tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.